Hi everyone, Ryan here, Ion Capital Solutions. You may recognize me from some of the videos I've done with my partner Gavin Bird. Thank you so much to all of you that have joined us, have subscribed, have been following us. Really appreciate you taking time out of your day to spend with us, learning about how to become a broker. For those of you who have not yet subscribed, maybe you've just landed at this first video, please click the link in the description. You can take a look at our website, learn more about our affiliate training program. If you click subscribe on the bottom right, as well as turning on notifications, anytime we post a video, you'll be updated right away. Now, the topic of today's video is going to be about fourth quarter stats. Who's making money here at Ion, right? Because that's what you want to know. Anybody who's interested in joining an affiliate program, right? You want to know, are the people there making money with the information and tools that they've purchased, right? What's actually going on? Is this legitimate? Is this worth my time and my investment? And we understand that. We understand that. There's a tremendous amount of programs out there where they're selling the blueprint. Hey, if you do X, Y, and Z, you can set up your own business and good luck to you. And that's all good and well. And for some of you out there, that may have worked for you in the past or might be something that you're considering. But why not follow those that are actively making money doing just that? Not making money by selling the blueprint, but are actually an actual brokerage. That's what we are here at Ion. We're not just a training program. We're a legitimate brokerage. We're funding deals all the time. Our people are making money. So what does that look like? Excuse me. What does that look like? Let's take a look. Okay. So first of all, who's making money, right? Well, David made a $44,000 gross commission from one deal. Christopher, 10 deals funded in the month of October. 10 deals. $25,000 earnings in the month of November for Sebastian. That's a massive month, massive month. There's other content you'll see from Sebastian talking about his road to becoming a broker. What he was earning before, what he's earning now. It's night and day the difference. Brendan, $3,468 commission after split for his first funded deal inside of 3 weeks of the advanced training. There's two levels of training here at Ion. You have your basic training, you have your advanced training. The basic training is organizing yourself, learning how to market, positioning yourself on the phone with clients, the basic bones of the business. But the advanced training is where you really learn how to become a broker, how to convert, really understand your products, become familiar with your lenders, work the numbers for yourself, become an underwriter, a processor, so that you understand the whole of it, while you're actively doing it with those that are making money doing it, so you can make money doing it. And by the way, right from the basic level, you're earning money right out of the gate with the deals you're closing. And that's really the point. Why buy a blueprint? That's great. Now you have to build it yourself. Join a firm, learn the ropes, make money along the way. That's something you can invest in, right? But hold on, we'll get back to that point in a moment. Matthew, $1.9 million he's got out the door in a line of credit that it's been used now, what, 5 times? And is regularly being used by the investor. He's going to keep on using it. You issue enough of these lines and they're being used after a while, it's just money pouring in left and right. And that's just filling the gap in what you're closing this month on what's on your forecast for the future, right? Christopher, $400,000 funded, a $1 million line of credit issued. Plenty of money going out the door for Christopher. Marcuse, $36,000 funded, $1.7 million in line of credits issued. Right? Plenty of money going out the door for Marcuse as well. And Anthony Pete, a slow starter, right? But tuition was paid off in full in the first deal that he funded. And what do all these people have in common? They made their money back joining our program. What is our top guy showing? $25,000 earnings in the month of November. Long past paying tuition off. Every person you're seeing here is a broker that enrolled in our training program. We are not a professional brokerage hiring people to come in and work our deals and close the deals and pound phones and process. None of that. We're teaching people how to do this stuff. And we're making money doing it. So let's take a look at our fourth quarter stats. Well, we have $12.8 million funded for the fourth quarter. We have $9.4 million in line of credit issued, right? $102,000 in gross commission earnings. Credit Repair has earned $6,000 for our highest paid broker. That's just one of the additional avenues you can take to have other revenue streams coming in, whether you're a referral partner, right? Whether you have your hands in a few different forms of funding or whatever it is. When you put it all together, there's all kinds of money to be made. And when you put it all together, that's what sets you apart. That's what really ups your dollars, right? And we have at least, 5 more deals closing by the end of this quarter. This is real stuff. These are real people. You don't have to believe me. Talk to them. You want to talk to one of them? I'll make sure it happens. Contact myself, contact my partner, Gavin. Because the reality is we're a legitimate brokerage and a legitimate training program. We practice what we preach. We make money doing what we're teaching you to do. We believe that sets us apart from our competitors. We believe that's a much more worthwhile investment for all of you considering investing the little money that you may have, especially during a pandemic, right? You need to make sure that ROI is going to be there. Not buy a blueprint from somebody who teaches you how to do some marketing and then good luck to you, right? How's that going to make you money? You're going to have to go through years of bumps in the road, learning curves, mistakes, and it's costly. Can you even make it through that process? Well, here we can expedite. Here we can get your ball rolling for you day one. You can get making money as soon as your first few weeks. We had one guy come in his second day and landed a massive, massive commercial deal. That could be you, right? Anyway, if you'd like to learn more, again, please click the link in the description below. Click on the subscribe button below as well and turn on notifications. And any video that we upload, you'll be notified right away. Again, this is Ryan with Ion Capital Solutions. Thank you everybody at home watching. We'll talk to you in the next video.